in reconstituting the council. Sir, is this Atmanirbhar Bharat? Is this modern India, where the government has been taking 3 years' time to constitute only a simple council, homeopathic central council? It takes 3 years' time to constitute. So this is our objection, sir. So why this objection? Because by this delaying tactics, by this deliberate delay, the government, by this deliberate extension, the government is just buying time to run the council with their own choice of people as a board of governors, sir. Sir, now what happened? The Ministry of Ayush has taken over the entire administration of the council, homeopathy council, and this Ministry of Ayush is the now regulatory authority of this council. Now in this way, sir, the autonomy of this council has been taken away. It is very vaccine for the democracy, sir. Sir, this government is in the habit of encroaching the autonomy of the institutions. Sir, not to speak of Jammu Kashmir. Sir, the government has taken this, encroached the autonomy of the UGC. The government has taken the autonomy of the Reserve Bank of India. And there are so many other institutions. The government is the habit of curtailing the autonomy, the encroaching the autonomy. So that's why we are objecting. This homeopathy council is an autonomous body, sir. So each autonomy by this way suppressing the council, the government is taking the autonomy of these institutions, and therefore we objected. So now through you, this is my humble submission to you. Today, no doubt, the bill will be passed because the government has majority. The bill will be passed. But my submission to you that today the House should pass a stricture to the government that there should not be any further extension from now onwards, and we everybody respect the autonomy of the institutions. The autonomy of the institutions must be restored. Sir, finally, one very dangerous impact of this amendment, sir. This amendment is promoting the clause 49 of the national